Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have: file type, size, and any known checksum so you know what integrity means. Once you have a safe copy in a separate working folder, open a reliable repair tool, 7-zip for ZIP, tar for tarballs, or a dedicated repair utility. You do this because working on copies prevents further damage and the right tool detects header errors. Now run a basic test command to list contents. That quick check frames the next repair steps. Once done with the test, inspect the report to locate header problems or specific damaged entries. The why is simple: you only fix what's broken. Make targeted repair attempts. Use zipff or 7z with repair flags or tar options that ignore trailing zeros. Extract salvageable files immediately to avoid losing data during aggressive operations. If headers are irrecoverable, rebuild the archive from extracted files. Continue iterating. Test again, then adjust flags until extraction and listing succeed. You now rebuild. Compress the recovered files into a fresh archive using consistent options so future checks are predictable. Once built, generate a checksum like SHA-256 and compare it to any expected value. This confirms integrity and why checksums matter. Make sure to test extract the new archive as a final verification step. If you still see errors, switch tools or revert to a backup copy. Troubleshooting tip: if repeated rebuilds fail,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.